such a massive improvement. It's crazy. Okay, let's calm down a little bit. I'm getting a little too excited. Good morning, guys. We're gonna do our morning routine. The skin is peeling really hard on the cheeks. This is gonna peel right here. You can tell the difference with the skin. But yeah, so yeah, we're gonna peel a lot today. So we're gonna clean our face, do the skincare, and get some before and after pictures. Once again, we're gonna start with our Emer skin. I usually do 2 pumps because I feel like with my skin, especially right now, it tends to lather a lot quicker and easier because of the dry skin. You see all of that skin, and I don't really want to scrub, you know, because I want to let it do its own thing. But basically, yeah, I try to really be as gentle as I can. It's just really hard because there's a lot of skin. Yeah, so we're doing our best though. I am actually putting Silogen on that one. She's very stubborn and she's not going away, but I know with time it will. It's just a little spot. Okay. All right, so we're gonna wash our face real quick. And all right, we're fresh and clean. You can see all the skin peeling. It looks really good, you guys. I'm not even kidding. And I know that you can tell such a massive improvement. So for morning routine, the first we're gonna start with the Emer AOXC once again. Sometimes it separates, so I'm just gonna make sure like it's all together. We did do a pretty layer. It's not as thick as the one on the cheeks, but the forehead was pretty thin. So we focused a lot more on the cheek area. Probably put too much on there. There you go. All right. I'm really scared to like rub it. I don't want the skin to like freak out on me. You guys, a little bit of serum on that little spot. We have our refit face. Again, 1 pump. Okay. Yeah, feels good. Feels really good. All right. Yeah. All right. Next, we're gonna do our, once again, high spot. Once the skin is pretty moisturized, I feel like 1 pump of high spot is good because you can easily spread it. There you go. Like, it's not there. I know it's still peeling and all that, but I want to know like what kind of maintenance I'm gonna have to do, because obviously you still gotta take care of your skin after the treatment. So I just want to know. She's ready for Halloween. Next we have our GHK. It's obviously, I've learned a lot the past few years about my skin barrier and how I thought for me to heal my acne was to essentially get rid of the oils, right? Because I was so oily, I was breaking out, and I thought healing it is I have to get rid of a lot of oils in my face, which was not the answer, clearly, you know, because my face was actually super dehydrated from all the products that I was using back then, and it didn't really help clear up my acne. In fact, it actually ruined my skin barrier. Now that I've learned a lot about that stuff the past 5 years, I can definitely say if your skin barrier is not at its best, a lot of treatments will not work for you. Like, you actually need to help your skin heal and get treatments at the same time. So far, that's what I think actually worked for my acne. You know, my cystic acne was really bad and nothing was helping. Not even probably the most effective treatments. Nothing was helping. So, right, this is the Reve Skin Soothing Balm. I only put like a little bit because it's actually very concentrated. Like, this much is good enough for the whole face. It's deeply moisturizing, and at the end of the day, before I do my night routine, my face is so shiny. Yeah, so shiny. So I tend to really just put a little bit of that. Okay, you guys, they did tell me that the chemical peel can be done every few months or so, depending on your skin concerns, and I was actually thinking doing it once a year. All right, now you got your SPF. Once again, I do 2 pumps. I feel like 2 pumps is good, just like that. And okay, I really like starting my day slow and calm. I noticed that it really helps my hormones stay in shape and first chemical peel appointment, I actually missed it because I fell asleep through my alarm. My god, that just fell. Yummy. I fell asleep through my alarm and I couldn't get on the call, so they had to reschedule me 3 days after. I think it was 3 days after. But also, everything happens for a reason because my skin was also not ready for a chemical peel at that time. So it did happen for a reason, but yeah, don't be late for your appointments, guys, because it's really embarrassing and it's wasting their time. Learn from me. I was very apologetic, but I still felt really. But also, once again, it did happen for a reason because my skin was just not ready for a chemical peel. It gave me another like 4 days after that. After the missed appointment, it was like a good week that went by before I had to do my chemical peel. So yeah, it did happen for a reason. All right, that's it. That's our morning routine. You can see a lot of improvement, you guys. Like, this is no filter. I had everything with no filter. Like, you can see everything. What you're seeing is what I'm seeing in the mirror, like right now. And I'm gonna let you decide whether you want to trust Dr. Emer or not. I'm just gonna let this speak for itself. Yeah. Let's apply some Silogen on that little dark spot right there. There you go, little bud. Go heal. Alright, you guys. I'll see you in a little bit.